I'm back at the property today. Sorry, those are, I just saw them. They're tags in my hair. I use my ponytail to hold many things. But I'm at the property today, and after last time, I'm like, I just need to find the property lines. I need to find the creek. So I found the creek, and now my mission is going to be to find the property lines, because I don't think we're going to have any more big freezes this winter. I think everything's going to start slowly blooming. So if I don't do it now, it's going to be a hassle when everything's green and lush, and it's going to be a nightmare. So I figure I better do it now. So that's my mission today. Last time I saw my parents a couple days ago, I put a sign up. We pay property taxes, so I can name it what I want. But this is my own Schitt's Creek. Love the show, especially during lockdown. Wonderful. But over here, you can see this is the creek. I had to bring this down so I don't fall in. I don't know if you guys can really tell or not. But if you listen, you can also hear it. Right there, I can hear it. So I need to clear some of this so I can make it to the property line. And I think it's where that row of trees are. I think that's how far back it goes, which I'm pretty happy about. It's more than I first thought. So I better get to work, start clearing the trail so I can find the property line and take these tags out of my ponytail and set them down. So let's get to work. Being I'd never been this far before, I don't really know where to set the camera while I'm trying to do stuff. So I'll show you what I've been doing. I was out here with my hedge trimmer, and this is under there, it's water. Under here it's water, and then I made it across, and it's a cluster. And it looks like once I make it through, it'll be fine. But I'm trying to work smarter, not harder. So then I went back this way. It's all mushy. I don't know how much longer I'm going to have till water starts seeping through my boots. They're waterproof, but only so much. So I saw a game trail, or what looks like a game trail. And so now I've been trying to follow this. And so I've just been going through here. This right here was already like this. So I don't know if it was just Mother Nature or if it is a game trail. But yeah, so I'm trying to now go looking for the route that's not going to be the hardest. So I'm going to see what I can do here, then I'll give you another recap. Thanks. I've been busy, but I'll show you what I've done. And I actually found a part of the creek that looks like your normal creek. So this right here is like how far I got last time, just so you kind of have a guesstimate of where I am. And after following the game trail, I went around that way, but this way's quicker. I did slip on this earlier, I biffed it. But I removed the planks back over here. And I think on my way home I'm going to stop by Walmart and get a pair of rain boots, because I'm going to need them. Yeah, I replanked over here. And check it out. There's a creek that is actually a creek. It does exist. And I need to get on the other side, because I have some land on the other side of this creek. So I've been busy. Just took the bushwhacker, the hedge trimmer, and just whacked everything. Did some this way, that's where, followed the game trail that way, cut through there. And when I got the planks from over there, that's when I just cut right through here. So I'm not going to make it to the end of the property line today. But I made it close, and I just need boots now so I could cross the actual part of the creek. So following the animal trail did me real good. But their feet are more waterproof than mine. But we shall see. Probably not a good one, but it's an idea. So I'm gonna go up to my parents' house. I'm gonna borrow my mom, because you see that tree behind me? I'm gonna try and kick it down. I might go through it. I might not budge. I might fall down. But I figure the reason I'm clearing this property when my parents are still alive is to make memories. But I want my mom to come down in case I hurt myself. She'll know where to send the EMTs. So I figure, why not? Let's see who wins, me or the tree. I'm gonna go up and get my mom, and I'll be back. Hey guys, my parents have company, so I hope I don't get hurt. If I do have my phone and I have a gun, so I'll fire a shot if I get hurt, and then they'll come down and see if they need EMTs. Hopefully I won't get hurt, and hopefully I can knock this down. We'll see. I gotta take my glasses off. I don't want nothing to happen to them. Alrighty, wish me luck. I can't really run. It's getting cold and it's getting dark. Let's see. Ooh, it ain't mushy. Oh. Fudge. It's rotten, but it don't want to budge. Fudge. Too short, I can't go up higher. I'm in a swamp. Fudge. I thought it was going to be more exciting than this. I'm sorry. Boom! That's skill. GG me. Thanks, guys.